Hey friends, today I'm going to show you a look I do when I'm in a rush or when I don't have much time. It takes me about 10 minutes, so watch this tutorial if you want to achieve this look in 10 minutes. I use this sunscreen, the Japanese one, and it's one of my favorites because it's lightweight and also works great under makeup. Put this lip plumper on my lips. It's the Tokobo lip plumper. And now I start with foundation. Whenever I'm in a rush, I use a cushion foundation. I use this one by Alicia. It's a satin wear healthy green cushion in 21W. Like this. I just start to apply it everywhere. Next will be concealer. I use this one by Glam. It's the shade Fair. Just apply it here, a bit here, cover some blemishes. Now I use a wet cushion sponge and blend it in. Next will be powder. I use a pressed powder. I use this one by Wet n Wild. It's the clarifying finishing powder. I use a flat brush. Start with my under eyes. And also my T-zone. And also where I tend to be more oily. And where my foundation will crease. Now I'll do my brows. Just use a clear gel. I use the Essence Brow Lift and Freeze Glue. Just comb through my brows. Next will be nose contour. I use a powder contour by Misha. It's the Cotton Contour in Smoked Hazel. And for my nose highlight, I use a matte white shadow. I use this one. It's by Kiko. Just put it the tip of my nose and also nose bridge. For eyeshadow, I use either a single eyeshadow or a dual shadow, or in this case it has 3 shades. It's the Beauty Bento by Kaja. It's in the shade 08 Chocolate Dahlia. I start using the light brown shade, go over all my lid, also on this side, and I blend everything in. Next I go in the darkest shade. Just put it on my outer corners, also on my lower lash line, and blend everything in. Lastly, I go in the shimmer shade, just apply it on top, focusing on the center. I won't be doing a liner because it takes too much time sometimes. And when I do a quick makeup, I just leave it out. Next, I use mascara before my false lashes. I use the Essence Call Me Queen mascara. Just apply a bit. Also a bit my lower lashes. And for blush, I also use a powder product because when I'm in a rush, powder products work better for me. I use this blush. It's the Kiko Smart Color Blush in 08. Next for highlighter, I use this new one, more natural highlighter, and I just apply on the highest point of my cheekbone, brow bones, also on my nose tip again, nose bridge on this side, also a bit on my inner corners. Before I do anything else, I apply lash glue. I use this one by Glam. It's the transparent one. Just apply a line above my lashes. I start with a lip liner. I use this one by Essence. And I go over with a lip oil, also by Essence. It's the Hydra Kiss lip oil in 09 Cookie Sparkle. My lash glue must have dried now. Use these lashes. This is the finished look. This makeup look is very easy. It also does not take much time. If you practice much, you can achieve this look in 10 minutes. It's the kind of look I always do when I'm in a rush or when I don't have much time. Let me know what you think about this look.